It's another epic unboxing! Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. We got them.
We did.
How long was that between the two videos?
A couple of hours.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So, we've got the Perth Mint 1 ounce silver Super Pit coin.
We do.
Let's do an epic unboxing.
This is the other half of our joint release with the Perth Mint.
Yes, correct. Fantastic. For those who are only watching this video and who didn't watch the video from about 2 hours ago, what do you mean by the joint release?
So this is actually a release or a coin that's been commissioned by a company in Western Australia. No, it hasn't. By a company in Germany.
Okay.
And it's been produced by the Perth Mint.
Right.
And they've got rights to everywhere else in the world except Australia. And Perth Mint and us have the joint rights to release this in Australia.
I didn't realise it was one of those kind of boxes with the cool...
Yeah.
Very cool. I like that box.
It's very groovy, isn't it?
Nice. Super Pit Australia, the Perth Mint Australia. Fantastic. And let's open it up and check it out. And how many were minted?
There was 100,000 minted.
Yep.
95,000 of which went straight overseas.
Yep.
I'm assuming to Germany, but I actually don't know.
Sure.
They may have a deal with someone in the States or anything along those lines.
Mm-hmm.
5,000 were kept in Australia. Perth Mint got 2,500 of those, and we purloined the other 2,500.
Purloined, that's a new word.
There you go.
All right,
I've got
beautiful.
the gold band on top.
The gold band for the silver. Cool.
Yeah.
So coming in tubes of 25.
Correct.
In each one. And what I'll do is once you open it up, I'll get you to put it on that lovely...
These do not come
black.
encapsulated.
They do not, no.
They do not
No.
come encapsulated.
No.
Okay.
If buying in a tube, you get the tube obviously.
Yep.
Buying just a few...
Yeah, if you buy one or two or three, chances are we'll encapsulate them.
If we have them.
If we have them.
Yeah.
If you're buying, 10, 12, 15, they'll probably come in a tube, probably.
If there's spare tubes.
If there's spare tubes.
Yeah. But then also they may come in...
plastic bags with the Ziploc.
Yeah.
The chances are though, if we can put them in tubes, we will.
Okay, fantastic. Put them in tubes, we will. Okay, Yoda. Put them in tubes. I don't want to even attempt it. Fantastic. The 1 ounce Super Pit. I'm just trying to get as close as I can because the microphone is getting in the way.
Sideways.
There we go. Fantastic. Now, beautiful. The Super Pit 2021 1 ounce 9999 silver. That is the Super Pit. What is the Super Pit?
So, for those who may not know, the Super Pit is a massive open cut gold mine out in Kalgoorlie in Western Australia.
Fantastic. And just turn it over one more time if you don't mind.
I love how it's almost a frosted finish on that side.
Yes.
And a shiny finish on
yeah,
that side.
good point. And so that is the Super Pit. Mate, you are just a popular boy. You know why? I think it's this newfound stardom that's just going to your head.
Yeah, that's the one.
I think it's the Michael's mailboxes. You get stopped in the street now.
Yeah, all those fun things.
Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, you secretly love it.
Love it. Absolutely love it. Because I'm that type of guy.
You are that type of guy. All right, so that was... See?
Normally it's on silent. I apologise.
It's all your fans. All right, so that is the 1 ounce silver Super Pit from the Perth Mint for 2021. Head over to the website. I'll put a link below. We've already released, as of 2 hours ago, we released 500. Yeah.
And we're going to do that stage release. So 500 as soon as we release the video, the previous video. Yeah. There'll be another 500 released around about that 7 o'clock tonight. We'll release another 500 around about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then another 500 around 7 o'clock tomorrow night. We're just trying to stagger it a little bit so people get a fair bite at it, because we're getting comments that people don't get notified from YouTube about the new videos being uploaded.
Yep.
Or, I'm at work, I can't get on, because I'm meant to be working. So, there's that type of thing. We're trying to satisfy where we can, and we'll keep 500 for sales over the counter as well. And
probably some over the phone ones as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic. Give a call or send an email to Sam. Come into the store, 227 Collins Street, level 6, suite 605.
That's us.
bullionnow.com.au. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And of course, that's it from me.
And from me too.
I'll see you soon.
See ya.